equal to 5. So m is equal to 5 means, what do you mean by m is equal to 5?
Means five childs and four keys.
5 childs and 4 keys. Okay. So here, in case of, here the value of m is, here value of m is 5. So 4 keys will be there and there will be total 5 childs. The first one is 8, 8, then 96, 8, 96, 116, and this is the last key. So this is your root. Okay. Now you have to insert 2, 7, 37. So 2 means 1, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. So 2, 7. So write down 2 and 7 here. 2 and 7. So there is a connection. Okay. Next, 2, 7 complete. 37. This is 5. 37, 46. So this particular value, uh, this particular value will be greater than 8 and less than 96, right? Greater than 8 and less than 96. So 37, write down 37 here. Next, 46, 46, 55, 55, and then 86. So 86. Okay, complete. So 37, from 37 to 86 complete. Next, 104, 110. So 104 and 110. So this value will be greater than 96 and less than 116. 104 and 110. Next value is 137. So this will be greater than 116. So we have to create a new node. 137 and 145. 37 and 145. Okay. Up to this, any problem?
No, sir.
Now 4, 5, 58, and 6.
No, sir.
4, 5. So insert 4 and 5. So 4. Now we have to insert 4. So 4 is less than 8. 4 is less than 8. So it should be in the first node. So replace this 7. So now replace this 7 with 4. So this will be 4 and 7. Okay. Next 4, 5. 4, 5. So 4, 5 means again replace this 7 with 5. So 5 and 7. So 2, 4, 5, 7. Okay. Next one is 58. So for 58, what should I do for 58? 58. So 4 and 5. 5 is also less than 8. Next 58. So for 58, 58 is 58 is your less than 96. 96. Okay. So it should be 37, 37, 46, 37, 46, 55, 55, next 58, okay, 58 and 86, 86, 86, okay. So what is the median?
55.
So what is the rule for
Median
insert?
should go up.
So median should go up. So the median key is not put into the either of the new nodes. Instead, it is sent up to the tree. So 55 is the median. Okay. So move it up. So after moving this 55 in the root node, it looks like your root node looks like this will be 55. So 855. In your exam, you have to clearly show the every steps. So 55, next 96, 55, 96, and 116. 116. Now delete this particular node. We have to split this node. Okay. We have to split this node into two parts. So one part, the left part should contain the elements that are less than the median, and right part contains the element greater than the median. Okay. So break this and this. Okay. So the left part contains how much elements? Your left part, first element is 37
Two
and
elements.
second element will be 46. This is 46. Okay. 37, 46, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. Next, this will contain 58 and 86. So 58, 58 and 86. 58, 86. 3, this is your 4 and this is 5. So you have to make a connection. So this is the connection. So this means this particular node is greater than 8 but less than 55. Okay. And delete this one. So 55. So this one, so this node, the third node, third leaf is greater than 55 and less than 96. Similarly, this one is greater than 96 and less than 116. And the last one is greater than 116. Up to this, any problem? 58 is inserted in its location. Any query? Anyone?
No, sir.
So 58 is inserted. Now 6, we have to insert 6. So 6 is less than 8. 6 is less than 8. Just hold on 1 second. So 6 is less than 8. What should I do? 6 is less than 8.
We will insert it after 5. So
So after 5.
cross the limit. And hence we will have to send 5 upwards as it is the median.
So 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. So median will be 5. Okay. Median will be 5. So just omit this one. Uh, Actually, you have to split this particular node into two halves. First of all, delete this in the two halves. So after deletion, you have to split it. So this is the 2 and 4. 2 and this will be 4. 2 and 4. 2, 4. Next this one and this one. 2, 4. And 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 5 will be move up and 6 and 7. So this will be 6 and 7. 6 and 7. Okay. 6, 7. Next one. So 5 will be moved up. So 5. Now 5 is in the root. If 5 is in the root, then what should I do? 5, 8, 55, 96, 116. Total 5 keys will be there. So we have to
Median
again,
will be sent up.
yes, we have to again split this entire uh, node, and 55 now becomes the new root. 55 now becomes your new root. Just delete. So 55 and 8. So 5 and 8 will be 5, 8, and this will contain your 96 and 116. And this is your new root. So 5, 8. So this is 5, and next one is 8. 5, 8, and this will be 96 and 96 and 116. 96 and 116. 3, 4, and 5. Okay. And 55 now becomes your root because this is the median. Second. Now you have to make a connection. So all the elements are less than 5. Okay. Here all the elements are greater than 5 and less than 8. Here all the elements are greater than 8. Okay. Now for 55. For 55, all the elements are, there is a connection. Is it visible from 55 to the first node?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, from 8, this will be 37 and 46. So from 96, just delete these connections. So from 96, there will be a connection. From 96 and 116, there will be a connection, and 116 greater than, so 1. So this is the new connection. Is it visible and accepted to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So 55 becomes
Yes,
the
sir.
new root. Now, just this is your next homework or assignment. Please write it down. M is 5. M is 5. Okay. M is 5 and uh, initially the root contains initially the root contains M is 5. Initially the root contains 18, 1845, 1845 and 72. 1845, 72. Now insert 7, 11, 21, 27, 36, 42, 54, 53, 81, 9, 90, and then insert 8, 9, 39, and 4. Okay, so this is your today's homework. You have to do this. So what will be the new root? Any idea? Just hold 1 minute.
So please show the question again.
So what will be the new root? Any idea?
So will it be 36?
36. Yes, this is 36. Yes, you're correct. This is 36. And uh, the next from 36, the left end, the left child will be
The left child will be 8. Yeah, the left child will be 8 and 18,
hmm,
and right child will be 45 and 72.
8 and 18, 45 and 72.
Yeah.
Okay, next. M equals to 3. Order is equal to 3. This is one gate question.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I have a doubt that in the first homework question where the roots were initialized, why can't we insert 2 in the first position of 8 and shift all the 8 elements to the right side? And then we find the median, and after all, we shift it to upward direction.
The root contains initially 896 and 116.
Yes, sir. After that, when we
And now you have to now you have to insert to actually initially the root, it is the given constant that your root contains only 3 elements. When you are given that initially the root contains 8, 96, 116, then you have to insert the next elements by its successors only. This is the rule. I'm doing this particular one. M is equal to 3 and insert 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 70, 80 and 90. স্নিগ্ধদেব কোশ্চেনটা করেছিল নাকি?
No, sir. Soham Sarkar.
This is
So actually root তোমার যখন কনস্ট্যান্ট দিয়ে দিচ্ছে, you can't insert these two in the root. Okay, you have to insert these two just below the root. It is already imposed that your root contains only 3 elements initial at the very initial step.
So B tree
So
goes
m
in
is equal
upward
to,
direction. So how it goes downward?
yes, actually the splitting and the root, it is at the very initial step you have to insert at the lower step, then only you can increase your height in the upward direction. Suppose m is equal to 3 and insert 10, 20, 30. What should I do? M is
30
equal to
root 10.
3. So first of all, there will be total m is equal to 3. M is equal to 3 means how many keys will be there?
2 keys.
2.
So this is the diagram. Okay, so 10 will be there. So look carefully, these two questions, question number 1, this is your question number 2, question number 3. In question number 1 and 2, initially the root contents it is given, but in question number 3 you have to insert simply these elements. So this is the technique that first of all 10 and 20. So first insert 10 and this is 20. Okay, Shoham, is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, next 10, 20 complete. Next one is 30. So we have to insert 30. So there will be 30. So what should I do? Shoham? Are you getting my messages? কি করবো বলো তো এবার? Anyone?
Sir, can't we send 30 as the right child? Or like we have to send it here only?
m is equal to 3. It is given m is equal to 3.
Yeah, like 30 can be the right child of 22.
Right child of 20.
Yeah. Like
স্যার
it's
20টাকে ওপরে পুশ করে দেব তো।
Yes, we have to split this node. There is a difference between question number 1, 2 and 3. In question number 1 and 2, the root is given. Now you have to insert. And in question number 3, just it is given your order is 3 or order is 5 or order is 10. Order is given. Now you have to construct the tree.
okay.
So 10 and 20, these are inserted safely because your root contains root can যে কোনো node, any intermediate node can contains your up to 2 nodes. This is the rule, na? Up to any node can contains up to m number of m minus 1 number of keys, right? So 10 and 20 are inserted safely. Now we have to insert 30. So if we insert 30, then we have to split this node. So after splitting, we can get, so this is 20. 20 is the median. Okay. 20 is your median. So 20 and next. Actually, this is upward splitting. আমি এইভাবে ড্র করছি। সোহম, this is upward splitting. 10 and this is your 30. Ten 30. Complete? Any query? Any doubts? Anyone? So this is less than 20 and this is your greater than 20. Okay. Now insert 40 and 50. 40. কি করব?
এর পর
Now insert 40. So 40 because 40 is greater than 20. 40 complete. Now
Sir, sir, in these cases, if there is space in the child nodes, then we will insert in the child nodes. Otherwise, we will insert in the root.
this is the simple rule.
Like we can't make child nodes on our own. Like if they are made because of the splitting, then only we can use them.
This is the rule. এটাই তো রুলটা ছিল, তাই তো?
না মানে ফার্স্ট দুটো কোয়েশ্চেন্স যেরকম আমরা নিজেদের থেকে চাইল্ড নোড বানিয়ে নিয়েছিলাম,
না,
তো এখানে বানানো যাবে না সেটা।
কোথায় বানিয়ে নিয়েছিল?
না ফার্স্ট দুটো কোয়েশ্চেন্স যেরকম 1845 মানে ফার্স্ট কোয়েশ্চেনটাই বলছি 896 আর 116 ছিল, তো আমরা যখন
এটা তোমাকে বলে দিয়েছিল 896 116. We know that there is a relationship that k1 your key 1 is less than key 2 less than key 3, তাই তো? তাহলে সেক্ষেত্রে আমি কি করেছিলাম? In that case 8 96 and 116 আমি পরপর লিখে দিয়েছিলাম রুটে, আমাকে শুধু রুটটা দিয়ে দিয়েছিল।
হ্যাঁ, তো আমরা
এবার
তারপরে যখন আমরা ইনসার্ট করেছি
হ্যাঁ
তখন তো রুটে একটা স্পেস ছিল, বাট
হ্যাঁ
স্টিল আমরা
রুটে রুটে
এটাকে
রুটে
অ্যাজ আ চাইল্ড নোড ঢুকিয়েছি। সেটাই
অ্যাকচুয়ালি বইয়ে যে কোশ্চেনটা ছিল সেই কোশ্চেনটা ছিল এইরকম। আমার কোশ্চেনটা এই ফার্স্ট দুটো কোশ্চেন দেওয়াটা কিছুটা হলেও ভুল হয়েছে। এরকম যে রুট কন্টেন্টস, এটা রিমা থেরেজার কোশ্চেন, দেখবে এটা কারো কাছে আছে রিমা থেরেজা? যদি থাকে চেক করতে পারো সেকেন্ড কোশ্চেনটা। ফার্স্ট কোশ্চেনটা লিপসুস কারোর কাছে থাকলে লিপসুসের কোশ্চেন। এই দুটোতেই ফার্স্ট রুট কন্টেন্টস একটা ডায়াগ্রাম দিয়েছে and the left node contains 2, the intermediate nodes middle node contains 46, ডায়াগ্রাম গুলো দিয়েছে। আর আমি ডায়াগ্রাম গুলো না দিয়ে ওরা কোশ্চেন সিম্পলি কোশ্চেন ছিল এরকম যে the tree diagram, the aim is 5, this is given and tree diagram is given to you. Now you have to insert 4 5 58 and 6 এইটা ইনসার্ট করতে দিয়েছিল। সিমিলারলি রিমা থেরেজার কোশ্চেনটায় ছিল 8 8 9 39 4 এই চারটাকে ইনসার্ট করো। আমি সেটা পুরোটা ইনসার্ট করতে দিয়েছিলাম। বুঝতে পেরেছো?
ওকে স্যার।
অ্যাকচুয়ালি যেরকম কোশ্চেন আসবে সেটা হচ্ছে aim is 5 and the tree structure is given to you. সোহমের যে বেসিক কোশ্চেনটা ছিল যে the root contains 8 96 116 and there will be one key left because aim is 5, so key will be 4, so we can easily insert the 2 in the root. So 2 8 96 116. Now we have to insert 7. Okay, now we have to insert 7. তাহলে কি হবে? 2 7 8 96 116, so 8 will be the median and it is pushed up এরকম বলেছিল সোহম, কিন্তু অ্যাকচুয়ালি তাই তো সোহম? তাই তো?
Yes, sir.
লাইনে আছে? But the tree structure is already given to you. এবার তোমাকে বলেছে নাও ইনসার্ট 4 5 58 6 জাস্ট ইউ হ্যাভ টু মেনশন দ্য অ্যাপ্রোপ্রিয়েট স্প্লিটিং আমি যে কোশ্চেনটা এখন দিলাম 10 20 30 40 এই যে এটা দিয়েছি সেটা হচ্ছে অ্যাকচুয়াল ইনসারশন m is equal to 3 দিয়ে কোনো কোয়ারিজ আছে কারণ এনি কনফিউশন ক্লিয়ার করে নাও এখন
No, sir, we're clear.
40 complete now 50 so 50 so there will be 50 now what should I do 50 is there
40 will be pushed up.
40 will be pushed up 40 will be pushed up yes 40 will be pushed up but before pushing up you have to split your node into two halves right so you have to split this node into two halves this is your first node sorry first child this is second third so 40 is pushed up so 40 so this is 40 and from 40 there is a connection is it clear up to this any confusion
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
60 60 so 60 what is the position for 60 this is 60 okay next one is 70 এবার কি করব বলো তো 70 কে anyone please 70 this is 70 any idea
স্যার ওই রুটটাও উপরে শিফট হবে 70টা ওখানে গিয়ে 40 রুট হয়ে যাবে আর 20 রুটের লেফটে চলে আসবে এরকমই
আর রাইটে কে আসবে
60.
60 so split this so 60 will be there and 60 will be there and 70 from 70 so from 70 this is 70 okay and this is the upward increasing 60 so 60 now becomes the root sorry 40 now becomes the root 40 is the median 40 now becomes the new root so 40 is the new root so delete 40 and create a node 60 60 so this is 40 and this is 60 20 60 20 60 60 so from 60 এবার ডায়াগ্রামটা কি কারেক্ট হয়েছে is it a correct diagram
Sir. মানে 60 রাইট চাইল্ড থেকে 70 কানেক্ট করতে হবে আর
আর
50টা তো 60 এর লেফট চাইল্ড হবে
yes because there is a vacant node this particular node is vacant so just delete this connection just delete this connection and make this one and this one okay Is it clear, everyone, please? Any queries?
No, sir.
সবাই বুঝেছে? As
Yes, sir.
the right portion of 20 is vacant, so no need for another connection. Next one is 80. So for 80, this is your 80. Now 90. So 90, for 90 will be there. এবার কি করবো বলো তো 90 এর জন্য? 90 will be there. So for 90,
80 will be pushed up
80 will be pushed up in this
and
location. So 80 will be pushed up in this location. So delete this 80. Okay.
90 will be right child of 80.
So 90 will be right child of 80. So this is your 90. So first child, this is second child, and this is third child. M is equal to 3. Now, we have to make this connection. As there is a new entry 80 in the right portion of 60, so this link is necessary. This link is required. So this is greater than 80, this is greater than 80, this one is greater than 60, and at the same time less than 80. Okay, and this particular one is less than 60. This particular one is less than 60. This is greater than 20, and this one is less than 20. So this one is less than 40, and this is your greater than 40. Is it clear, the diagram? Simple diagram.
Yes, sir.
So in the question, actually it is asked that M is 3, insert these nodes and find out the root. What is the root? What is the root? And actually these particular questions are called NAT, numerical answer type. No negative markings will be there. You have to put the answer, that is 40, in the given portion using virtual keyboard. There will be no negative marking. Okay, numerical answer type question is that. Is it clear to everyone, please?
Yes,
সবাই
sir.
বুঝেছে? এবার তাহলে
Yes, sir.
ডিলিশনটা স্টার্ট করে দিই, বলো। ডিলিশন, so now deletion, just 1 second, তোমরা স্ক্রিনটা একটু দেখো।
this case we have.
So what is the rule? Delete 8. So how to delete 8? So
স্যার
just simply, yes.
স্যার বলছে যদি m ইকুয়ালস টু 4 হয় তো তখন তো কিজ ইকুয়ালস টু 3 হয়ে যাবে। এবার সেখানে
M
যখন
equal
কিছু
to 4. হ্যাঁ
ইনসার্ট
হ্যাঁ
করব তো সেখানে মিডিয়ানটা কি ধরবো? মানে কি
ওই যে বললাম
লেফট, মানে লেফটের
সিলিং ভ্যালু,
ইয়েটা ধরবো নাকি
সিলিং
রাইটে
ভ্যালু,
যেটা?
সিলিং ভ্যালু ডিভাইডেড বাই 2 সিলিং ভ্যালু।
ওকে ওকে স্যার, ঠিক আছে।
ষোড়শী আগের দিন বললাম না সিলিং ভ্যালু, ও মনে হয় ওইরকম একটা দিয়েছিল আমাকে।
Yes, sir.
আচ্ছা ডিলিট 8, delete 8 means the rule is that the root has at most m children but may have as few as 2 if it is not a leaf. Okay, so actually the deletion rule is that deleting an element from B tree. The rule is that like insertion, here deletion is also done from the leaf nodes. Okay, there are two cases for deletion. In the first case, a leaf node has to be deleted. In the second case, an internal node has to be deleted. Okay, so here I'm writing the like insertion, the deletion can also be done from leaf. Okay, so here are two cases. So first case, case 1, what is case 1? Case 1 is that a leaf node is deleted, and case 2 and intermediate node is deleted. An intermediate node is deleted. Leaf node is deleted and an intermediate node is deleted. So first one, the steps are the locate the leaf node. Locate the leaf node which has to be deleted. Okay, if the leaf node contains more than the minimum number of key values, then delete the value. So if the leaf node contains more than the minimum number of key. What is the minimum number of key values? What is the minimum number of key values?
1.
1.
স্যার
For
3।
any intermediate node, all
One
leaves
less
are
than
on
or
same level. The internal node except the root have ceiling of m by 2 less than is equal to non-empty children less than is equal to m. That is at most m children both in root and intermediate node. And intermediate node, the minimum numbers are m by 2 its ceiling value, and for root the minimum number of nodes keys will be 2.
Ch-
Sorry,
uh,
minimum number of
children is
children
2.
Yeah, children is 2. Minimum number of children is
Will be
2.
1.
That's why delete 8. Delete 8. So 8 and 12, delete 8 means only 12 will be there. These are the children's. These are the children's that key is the 12. So here keys are 8 and 12, delete key 8. So the root, here our root, all internal nodes have at least ceiling of m by 2 number of child nodes and at most m number of child nodes. And all root, just 1 second. The root has minimum 2 children, and at most কতগুলো থাকবে বলো তো?
M.
m, at most m children. Okay, so m children, so at most m children, and this will be minimum 2 children. So that's why delete 8 delete 8 means just simply delete 8, because 12 will be the key and your root contains 2 children, this one first children and this one second children. Okay, these circles are circle denotes the children. Now if the leaf node contains more than the minimum number of key values, so what is the minimum number of key values?
1.
1. Leaf node contains more than minimum number of key values. Is it 1?
Sir, 3
Leaf
হবে।
node. Leaf node.
So leaf node also see at then 2
Let the order is m. Let the order is m. এবার কতগুলো হবে? more than m by 2 হবে না? more than m by 2, then delete the value. এটা কি বোঝা গেছে? লাইন নাম্বার 2, if the leaf node contains more than the minimum number of key values, more than m by 2, then delete the value.
Okay, sir.
Any query? তো আমি তো বলি ডেফিনেশনই তো আছে। The internal node except the root have at least m by 2 number of child nodes. তাই না?
Yes, sir.
Else if the leaf node হচ্ছে doesn't contains the m by 2, contains the m by 2 elements. Okay, then fill the node, then fill the node by taking an element either from the left or from the right sibling. By taking the element either from the left or right sibling. Okay, siblings means same location. So first point is that if the left sibling has more than the minimum number of key values, then push the largest key onto the parent's node and pull down the intervening element from the parent node to the leaf node where the key is deleted. Otherwise, if the right sibling has more than the minimum number of key values, then push the smallest. In case of right sibling, push the smallest key into the parent node and pull down the intervening element from the parent node to the leaf node where the key is deleted. So these are the two rules. So first rule is that if the left sibling has more than it is more than if the left sibling has more than the minimum number of keys, the minimum number of keys, that is m by 2, okay, key values, keys, then push the largest, then push the largest value or key, largest value, that is actually largest value means largest key, then push the largest key into the parent into the parent and pull down the intervening element from the parent to the leaf node to the leaf node where the key is deleted, okay. So see, at the similarly if the right sibling has more than the number of minimum number of key values, then push the smallest key into the parent and pull down the intervening element from the parent to the leaf node where the key is deleted. So if the right sibling has more than minimum number of keys, so this is the bold. Similarly, right one more than keys, largest key, then push the largest key and here push the smallest key, okay, into the parent and pull down. So this is the rule. And if both the left and right, if both the left and right siblings contains only minimum number of keys, then create a new leaf by combining these two leaf nodes, by combining these two leaf nodes, and the intervening element of the parent node and the intervening element of the parent node combining these two leaf nodes and the intervening element of the parent node, okay. And if pulling the intervening element, pulling the intervening element from the parent, from the parent leaves it less than the minimum number of keys, then propagate the process upwards, thereby reducing the height of B. So this is the rule. We have to explain these rules. So first of all, delete 8. So delete 8, it means deleting 8 might force us to move another key up from one of the children. It could be either 3 from the first child or 10 from the second child. However, neither child has more than the minimum number of children, so these two nodes will have to be merged. Nothing moves up. So if we delete this 8, the rule is that 12 will be the root and merge this first node and second children, and the second children, because the root has between 2 and m children. Each non-root internal node has between ceiling of m by 2 and m children. All external nodes are in the same level. The root contains one fewer key and has one fewer child. Now delete 13. So deletion of 13 would cause the node containing it to become underfull. So what should I do if we delete 13? কি করবো বলো তো?
রাইট সিবলিং থেকে একটা এদিকে আসবে।
রাইট সিবলিং থেকে একটা আসবে। সো রাইট সিবলিং থেকে আসবে,
মানে রাইট সিবলিংটা উপরে যাবে আর যেটা নোড রুট নোডটা ওটা এখানে চলে আসবে।
রাইট সিবলিং এর কোনটা যাবে উপরে?
লার্জেস্ট দ্যাট 11।
11. So 11 and 12 will be according to the rule, if the left sibling has more than the minimum number of keys, then push the largest key into the parent node and pull down the intervening element from the parent to the leaf node where the key is deleted. Okay. So 13 is replaced by parent key 12. The parent's key 12 is replaced by spare key 11 from the left sibling. The sibling has one fewer elements. Quite natural, 2, 3 and 10 will be there. Okay. Now delete 11. So delete, now you have to delete 11. What should I do? Delete 11 means?
Delete 11 means one from the left or the right child. One element from the left or the right child should come up. So if we take one element from the right child, it will be underfull. So we have to take it from the left child as it has more number of
Minimum number, more number of m by 2. So
yeah,
one,
more than
two,
n by 2.
more than m by 2. Here m value is 5. 5. So 2 by 5 means 2.5. Its ceiling is 3. So
It has 4.
Element 3 4 কেন 3 হচ্ছে 2 3 10
Sir, children count করবো না?
হ্যাঁ চিলড্রেন 1 2 3 4 চিলড্রেন হচ্ছে m by 2 হচ্ছে 2.5 সিলিং
M
ভ্যালু
by 2
হচ্ছে
হচ্ছে 3. আর children 4টে আছে, so we can move one up.
so 10 will be pushed in the upward direction. 10 will be pushed in the upward direction. So delete 11. 11 is a non-leaf. So so replace it by the value immediately preceding 10. 10 is at the leaf and this node has pairs. So just delete it there. So 10 will be there. Okay. Up to this, any problem? Delete 11. Any queries? Okay. Next, delete 2. Delete 2. Delete 2. What should I do? Delete 2. 2 is at the leaf node. So removing this, so if we remove this, then total 5.
It
Total 5, so underfold. Total 5 is 2.53. So there will be 2. There will be only 2 child, right? If we delete these 2, there will be only 2 child. So this will be underfold. So the node has no left sibling. It does have a right sibling, but that node is a minimum occupancy already. It is a minimum occupancy 12 and 17. This is the minimum. Why this is the minimum occupancy? Because there will be total 3 nodes. 2.5, its ceiling value is 3. 5 by 2, m by 2. Here m value is 5. So 5 by 2, 2.5. Its ceiling value is 3. So it is a minimum occupancy. Minimum number of children. Right? এবার কি করব বলো তো? So therefore node must be merged.
একটাই নোড হবে 3 10 12
2 3 12 70. Sorry,
3,
uh,
10,
কি?
12, 27.
3 10 12 27. 3 10 12 27. Now this is illegal because the root doesn't have at least the root just the root condition is that the root has minimum 2 children and at most m children. So this is illegal. Therefore, just delete this root and make this as the new root. So this is your new root. Okay. 3 10 12 27. Okay. Next one is insert 49. কি করব বলো তো?
12 will go up. And, huh? Yeah.
Insert 49. Insert 49. So insert 49. So 12 will be moved
Go.
up.
Yeah.
12 will be moved up. এখানে যেটা হবে 49, if we place 49 at the right side, then 12 will be moved up, and at the left 12 will be the root. 12 will be, yes, 12 will be the root. So 12 now becoming the root. 1 2 3 4 and 5. Now 12 is the root. We know that root has minimum 2 children. So it has a 1 key. So 2 children will be there. And left 1. And this will be your right one. So 310. So there will be 3. 3 and this will be 10. 310. 3 and 4. 310. And 27. This will be 27 and 49. 27 and 49. 49. So 12, this is less than 12, and this will be greater than. So 2 children. Okay, if we insert 49, then it looks like in this way. Is it clear? The deletion.
Yes, sir.
Uh, create uh, just create a B tree, create a B tree of order 5, create a B tree of order 5 by inserting the following elements. Following ends, inserting the following elements. So the elements are 3, 14, 3, 14, 7, 3, 14, 7, 1, 8, 1, 8, 5, 11, 17, 13, 6, 23, 12, 24, 16, 18, 24, 25, and 19. This is your homework, and consider a B tree of order 3. Create a B tree. Create a B tree of order 3. Create a B tree of order 3 by the following set of elements. So the elements are 30, 60, 50, 40, 10, 70, 20, 80, 90, 80, 90, and 78, 105, 75, 5, 28, 12. Okay. And the following key values one by one. Okay. So these are your homeworks. Question number 4, 5. Question number 4, 5, and question number 2. We have already discussed question number 3 and question number 1. So homework question number 2, 4, and 5. I will send some assignments over B3 regarding the deletion.
Sir, I had a question.
Yes.
Like, if we are inserting same element twice, like if the PT already has 10 and we insert 10 again, so will it go to the left child or the right child?
Actually, left side is less than equals to.
Okay, sir. Thank you.